Niagara Falls. Just the name conjures images of cascading waters and breathtaking natural beauty. The sheer power and majesty of the falls are enough to leave anyone in awe. It's no wonder this destination tops travel bucket lists worldwide. People from all corners of the globe come to witness this natural wonder. But Niagara Falls is more than just a pretty sight. It's an experience that engages all your senses. The roar of the water, the sight of the mist rising, and the feeling of the ground trembling beneath your feet. Imagine feeling the mist on your face as you stand close enough to touch the falls. The cool spray refreshes you, making you feel alive and connected to nature. Picture yourself sipping local wine as the sun sets over vineyards. The region is known for its exquisite wines, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and indulgence. Envision exploring charming towns and indulging in world-class dining. Niagara-on-the-Lake, with its quaint streets and gourmet restaurants, adds a touch of elegance to your trip. Niagara Falls offers all this and more. From thrilling adventures to serene escapes, there's something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, romance, or family fun, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. Hike the scenic trails, enjoy a romantic walk, or get your adrenaline pumping with ziplining. And getting there is easier than you think thanks to various vacation packages and convenient travel options. With so many choices, planning your trip is a breeze. So why wait? Let's dive into how you can plan your unforgettable Niagara Falls adventure. Start packing your bags and get ready for an experience of a lifetime. We'll explore package deals, top-rated hotels, and the must-do activities that will make your trip truly memorable. From luxurious accommodations to exciting excursions, we've got you covered. Planning a vacation can sometimes feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Air Canada Vacations makes it easy to experience the magic of Niagara Falls with their comprehensive vacation packages. These packages bundle everything you need for a stress-free trip. This includes your round-trip flight with Air Canada, comfortable accommodations at your chosen hotel, and often even exciting activities. Imagine soaring above the falls in a helicopter, or picture yourself enjoying a romantic dinner cruise with breathtaking views. Air Canada Vacations offers packages that include these bucket list experiences and many more. With a range of packages to suit different budgets and travel styles, Air Canada Vacations takes the guesswork out of planning your Niagara Falls getaway. So sit back, relax, and let them handle the details while you look forward to an incredible vacation. For travelers coming from across the pond, Virgin Atlantic Holidays offers seamless and stylish journeys to Niagara Falls. Their packages combine the convenience of direct flights to Toronto with a variety of hotel options in Niagara Falls. What sets Virgin Atlantic Holidays apart is their dedication to making your travel experience enjoyable from start to finish. Their friendly staff is known for their attentive service, ensuring a comfortable and hassle-free journey. Upon arrival in Toronto, a short and scenic drive brings you to the heart of Niagara Falls. You can choose from various transportation options, including rental cars, shuttle services, and even private transfers. With Virgin Atlantic Holidays, reaching your Niagara Falls adventure is a breeze. Their packages offer a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and exceptional service, allowing you to focus on making unforgettable memories. Section 4, Booking.com - your Niagara Falls accommodation expert. Finding the perfect hotel can make or break your vacation experience. It's not just about having a place to sleep, it's about creating memories and ensuring comfort throughout your stay. Booking.com excels at connecting travelers with ideal accommodations, and their selection in Niagara Falls is truly impressive. From budget-friendly options to luxurious suites, they cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking a luxurious stay with breathtaking views of the falls or a cozy and affordable option for families, Booking.com has something for everyone. Imagine waking up to the sight of the majestic falls right from your window, or enjoying a comfortable family suite that feels like a home away from home. Their user-friendly website makes it simple to browse hotels based on your preferences, budget, and desired amenities. With just a few clicks, you can filter through countless options to find the perfect match for your needs. From charming bed and breakfasts to renowned international hotel chains, you'll find a wide range of options on Booking.com. Each type of accommodation offers its own unique experience, whether it's the personalized touch of a B&B or the consistent quality of a well-known hotel brand. Many hotels even offer additional perks such as complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi access, and access to swimming pools or fitness centers. These added amenities can enhance your stay, making it more convenient and enjoyable. With Booking.com, extensive selection, competitive pricing, and helpful customer reviews, you can confidently book your Niagara Falls accommodation and look forward to a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Their platform ensures that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision, from detailed descriptions to genuine customer feedback. Section 5. Luxurious stays and comfortable escapes, top hotels. When it comes to finding the perfect place to stay, Niagara Falls offers a plethora of options that cater to every type of traveler. Niagara Falls boasts an array of exceptional hotels, each offering a unique experience. Whether you're looking for luxury, comfort, or family-friendly accommodations, you'll find it here. Here are a few standout options for your consideration, each promising to enhance your visit with their unique offerings and impeccable service. For unparalleled luxury and breathtaking views, the Sheraton Falls View reigns supreme. This hotel is renowned for its prime location and stunning vistas. Imagine waking up to panoramic vistas of the cascading waters right from your room. The floor-to-ceiling windows ensure you never miss a moment of the natural beauty outside. The hotel also offers exquisite dining options, a relaxing spa, and an indoor pool for year-round enjoyment. Whether you're indulging in a gourmet meal or unwinding with a spa treatment, the Sheraton Falls View has it all. Families and those seeking spacious accommodations will appreciate the Embassy Suites by Hilton. This hotel is perfect for those who need a bit more room to spread out. Their two-room suites provide ample space for everyone to spread out and relax. With separate living and sleeping areas, it's ideal for families or groups. Plus, enjoy a complimentary cook-to-order breakfast each morning and a nightly evening reception with drinks and snacks. These added perks make your stay even more enjoyable and convenient. For a classic Niagara Falls experience, the Niagara Falls Marriott on the Falls is a fantastic choice. This hotel combines elegance with a prime location. Located just steps away from the falls, this hotel places you in the heart of the action. You can easily walk to the main attractions and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Enjoy breathtaking views from their Falls View rooms and indulge in their on-site dining options. The combination of luxury accommodations and stunning views makes for an unforgettable stay. No matter your preference or budget, Niagara Falls offers a hotel that will make your stay comfortable and memorable. From luxury to family-friendly, each hotel provides unique amenities and experiences to ensure your visit is perfect.